put it. We're installing back the oil filter, oil filter housing. Let's tighten it up. Okay. Yes. Look, turn like this. Yeah, okay. Do this. Yeah, yes. Yeah, yeah. No, that's good. Yeah, yeah, yes, yeah. Yes. Oh, whoa. Okay. Yeah, yeah. That is 25 Newton, eh? For what you've done, there is a present in that box. Check your present in that box. Yeah, check there. What is it? What is it?
This is a head.
Okay, let me see. Wow. Okay. Servicing Daddy's car, ne? You're getting another reward. Yay! There is another reward.
Thank you, Daddy.
Yeah, how much is that?
100.
100 rand. Yeah, for servicing the car, eh? Yeah, well done. Take one. Yeah, put it in your pocket.
I'm getting